we fed it to him in a potato. Was it a potato?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was eyeing my food down. So I'm like, oh, you want it? And I poured this shit on it, and I'm like, hot tamale sauce, Louisiana style. I put
From Price Right.
From Price Right. Well, I gotta put our shit out. No, I'm just kidding. But I poured it on it. He loved it. So, but now he was like, look at Sparks. He's still looking for something.
Look at him. He's still licking. He's like, my mouth's on fire. Sparks is gonna have a heart attack. Look at, he's still going.
Here, Buster. You like it so much. Look at Sparks. He's gonna kill.
He's gonna have a heart attack. Look at him. He's like, nope, no. This nigga's mouth is on fire.
He's going back for it.
Oh my
Yo, man, he looks like a big koala bear on the video.